connecting the machines. And that's really the biggest challenge in the industrial Internet of Things. It's building that basic connection to the network.
I think Internet of Things will take manufacturing into the future.
We had the idea to say, how do we build a standardized interface device to be able to do this within our own factories?
The device allows you to connect any machines to any cloud with simplicity, security, and scalability.
The solution is something that you can use to easily take a factory that exists today and turn it into the smart factory of the future. It's giving a second chance to our older equipment so that they don't have to be replaced. We're really extending what we can do with our existing assets, and that's the advantage that it gives to businesses today.
We are engineering platforms which can be integrated with all kinds of different varieties of machines. All this allows machines to be operated in much higher efficiency and produce higher quality parts.
I would describe this device as the gateway that connects the physical world to the digital world. At TE, we like to get people out of their day-to-day thinking and into creating new solutions for our own factories or for our customers. It represents the ideal of what we want innovation to be at TE. We want the ability to inspire our engineers to build things and come up with new ideas, and we do that on a daily basis here at TE.